In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook Marketplace listing with shipping enabled. If you want to sell to more people, instead of limiting your item to local pickup only, adding shipping is a great option. It helps expand your reach and can make your listing more convenient for buyers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full setup process so you can publish your item with shipping correctly. To begin, click Create New Listing and choose Item for Sale. From there, add your photos and fill in the item details as you normally would. Make sure your photos are clear, well lit, and show the item from multiple angles, since good images can help buyers feel more confident. When writing the item details, be as accurate as possible with the title, description, condition, and price. A clear and honest listing helps reduce confusion later and can lead to faster sales. Once your basic listing information is ready, move to the delivery method section. Here, select shipping. This is the setting that allows buyers outside your immediate area to purchase the item and have it delivered. If you've only used local pickup before, this is the key step that changes your listing into a shippable one. After that, configure your shipping options carefully. First, enter the package weight. This is important because shipping costs are usually based on weight, and entering the correct amount helps avoid pricing issues or delays. If possible, weigh the item after packaging so your estimate is more accurate. Next, choose the shipping method. You'll usually have the option to let the buyer pay for shipping or to offer free shipping yourself. If the buyer pays, your listing may protect your profit margin more easily. If you offer free shipping, your listing may look more appealing, but make sure you've already factored that cost into your item price. You may also be asked to choose a carrier, or you may be able to use Facebook's integrated shipping labels. If that option appears, it can simplify the process by helping you purchase and manage shipping directly through the platform. Before you publish, confirm your payment details. Make sure your payout account is connected so you can receive your funds after the item is delivered. Double check that everything is correct, especially your shipping setup and item information, since fixing mistakes later can be more inconvenient. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your listing will go live with shipping enabled, making it available to a wider group of buyers. That's it. You're all set to start selling with shipping on Facebook Marketplace.